Happy Taco Tuesday! Today is an awesome day because we get to make one of my favorite chicken tacos, the enchilada tacos. Don't they look dreamy? I better show you how they're made. And by the way, you're watching my Taco Tuesday series where I'm cooking my way through my cookbook, the Taco Tuesday Cookbook. One book, 52 taco recipes to make your Tuesday eats the best day of your week. Check out these other tacos, which of course I'll link below the video. Mouth-watering, right? So if you love tacos as much as I do, click the red subscribe button. We've got a weekly date on this channel. Now let's get on with today's subject, chicken enchilada tacos. As tasty as classic enchiladas are, I don't always have the time to prepare, roll, bake them, but these tacos take 20 minutes from the fridge to the table without sacrificing any of the enchilada flavor we all love. So the chicken is gonna get cooked with a smoky sauce topped with sour cream and guacamole. It's all the best flavors in every bite. It might just be the new way you serve your enchiladas. And to make this recipe even more convenient and fast, we're gonna use rotisserie chicken. I've already pulled all the meat and cut it into smaller pieces so you don't have to watch me dig through the bird. You know, you gotta keep the channel clean. But if you wanna do this in the slow cooker, just throw your chicken in there, cover it with the sauce and let the slow cooker do its thing. But we need to get the show on the road, so to start, let's combine the shredded chicken and enchilada sauce in this cast iron skillet. All you do is stir it to coat to bring it to a low boil over medium heat to worm the chicken through and make sure all the enchilada flavors cook right through. I'm going to turn on the heat and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. So our chicken is heated through, so I'm just going to top it with our cheddar and Monterrey Jack cheese. And while this warms up, I'm going to heat up my tortillas. By now, if you've been watching this channel, you know that I love to heat them up over an open flame, but you can warm them up in the oven or the microwave as well. And assembling, super easy. All we have to do is place a little of the chicken mixture right onto our tortilla. Top it with some of the reserve shredded cheese, some sour cream, guacamole, olives, and cilantro. This is everything you want in an enchilada. The sauce, cheesy chicken, the guac. I'm gonna have to eat some more, but you gotta check out the other taco videos to give us something to talk about in the comments.